Okay, today we're putting on chains, Volvo brand chains on a 2021 XC60. First thing you need to do is remove one of these plastic covers over the lug nuts, if you've got them. I'm using a little small screwdriver, it seems to work pretty good. Take that off. Next you have to put this on. I find it's easy if you unscrew it like this, take this part off here, go like that, and these grooves right here need to line up where the corners are, the edges are of the lug nut. And it's a little easier to have it apart. You can see a little better. Get it lined up and then push it in like this. Then unscrew that, take this, put it back on, and then screw it back on like this. And then you're supposed to use 15 kilograms of torque on these with a 13mm wrench. You could use a torque wrench, which I have, then I'm gonna just use this, and I don't know exactly what, 15 kilograms is about 20, 30, 35 pounds of pressure. So I'm gonna just do it by hand here and kind of guesstimate and tighten it up. So it's on there, like that there, so it won't come undone. Now, I'm going to take the snow chains, tire chains, here they are, and slip them over the top first, and slide them back as far as I can, and not worrying too much about the bottom. We'll deal with those later by moving the car. Get that lined up and push those back like this, work it back, get that down, push it back in as far as I can, like this. Then you take this and you put this on by, hold like that, this goes on in there, and you work it all the way back to here, slide it like that, and that goes down like that. You leave that down like that to lock it in place. Next, you're gonna push in and turn this counterclockwise. This takes a little bit of strength to do, and it's not that easy to do. You're gonna push in and twist and twist and twist and tighten it up, making sure that that core doesn't wrap around anything else. It's just a straight shot. Push it, turn it as much as you can. This is not easy to do. This takes some strength. Push it in. Now, to get this part here back underneath, I've got to move the car. I either move it forward or backwards. I'll do that, and then we'll show you the next step.